Birds census. One day, Akbar wanted to test Birbal.
Birbal, we have the exact count of rivers, ponds, people and everything except for birds. So, I give you the responsibility of counting the birds.
The Emperor is trying to test me. Let me see tomorrow. Yes, my lord, I will tell you tomorrow.
Next day, in the court.
Tell me, Birbal, have you finished counting the birds?
Yes, my lord. 8,000 parrots, 10,000 crows, 3,000 cranes, 412 peacocks and 3,412 doves.
I accept your count, but if there is any difference, then be ready to face severe punishment.
Yes, my lord, but this is yesterday's count. Today, few birds might have flown out. Some birds might have flown in from other places, and few might have been born today. So, there will be a difference in the count. If you take into account all these, the count will be exact.